Welcome to our van life with our three good chihuahuas. We continue to explore this amazing town of Eureka, California. We head back from the beach to the historic Old Town area. Please stay tuned till the end to see our newest van life edition. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. We are passing through Arcata. We're going back to Eureka into the visitor center to get more information. We're headed to the Lost Coast Brewery, which was highly recommended on YouTube and on Google. I'm hoping that we can find clam chowder because right now it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and this kind of environment where we're close to the ocean gives me a craving for a clam chowder.
I'm not sure if Lost Coast Brewery is dog friendly, so we might have to take some orders to go.
Notice that there's lots of RVs out here, lots of van lifers, and right now I think this is probably downtown Eureka.
Waterfront Cafe of Eureka. Getting some fish and chips and some clam chowder and some dessert.
Turned around and look at the girls. BobaFett is inside the backpack and Chewbacca is in her little box. And they are tired from walking down the beach.
Didn't sleep a lot last night.
And then here's my baby boy. He's quiet. Probably should not wake him up because if he wakes up, he's gonna bark nonstop and then get really fussy. He's my 17-year-old little guy, the eldest out of all the 4 chihuahuas. And then Jabba, who was our second eldest chihuahua. He was 4 months younger than Yoda. Sadly passed away about 3 weeks ago. Has it been 3 weeks? A month ago?
3 weeks, yeah.
And we're still dealing with the loss of not having him around. We will have news tomorrow, so we hope that you stick around and learn of good news that we're having tomorrow to help us get through to a loss of a loved one. I asked Sean how is it that he doesn't take me on those horse-drawn carriage, because it just absolutely looks so romantic. And what did you say? Yes.
No room for doggies. Hey everybody, so we just came away from that island and now we're on the Old Town Eureka waterfront with their marina. They have some nice markets and other little cool spots to stop. A lot of people hanging out for the ice cream and gelato, and even these folks behind us came in for the little sailboat. But the marina is pretty cool. I want to walk over there and see if we can get a closer look. swimming along in the bay. So this is definitely a representation of the deep sea fishing industry. You can see Madeline and a couple other real big fishing boats in this marina. Like they said, salmon and halibut are the focus, but the salmon season got canceled. Looks like these guys are just cleaning up after a day out. We got some local clam chowder, some fish and chips, good sourdough bread. Not many places are doing takeout today, so you were not picky. And then Miss Pia got her favorite, a big old steak. All right, it's our last night. We're gonna go take a little sunset stroll by the ocean. Our last evening at Eureka. What do you think about this place and this experience, Pia?
This was a very unique experience, and we really enjoyed our short time here. Definitely want to come back again, and we recommend staying here at Johnny's because they're really well kept. The area is so clean, very organized. You're right next to the ocean, and then there's a dock behind us.
Yeah, has their own little private marina. Lots of cool private beaches. Basically, people come here, but not very many. And it's just an awesome place to explore, right on the bay that goes out. And we're gonna go take one last look at the bay. So if you enjoyed this video exploring around Eureka, some BLM territory, and the marinas, please give us a like and subscribe and give us your feedback. We love to hear your comments.
And stay tuned for our great news tomorrow.
Yep, we got a teaser. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Right out of a movie with all the birds flying, and it's so calm. This is the man-made part that Johnny said that you can walk out on if you want to. It's about a mile over there. That's the Samoan Dunes. You see the waves still hitting. We're gonna have some cool drone footage of that. That's where we were today.
So we're headed back to our van, and we're gonna have dessert tonight before we go to sleep, or try to go to sleep. Last night was difficult because Boba had an upset stomach. Pretty much all three dogs had an upset stomach, and
Not Chewbacca.
Chewbacca was getting over hers. So tonight I'm having key lime cheesecake, and Sean is having carrot cake. And we're gonna call it a night after we have our dessert, because we gotta get up early tomorrow. Actually, we gotta be out of here at 6
in the morning because we are supposed to be at Red Bluff by between 10 to 11 to meet someone. And you guys will get the chance to meet her as well. And I hope that you continue to watch our journey and join us in our journey, because there's plenty more for these chihuahuas to see and do. And we'll catch you guys in a little while. Good morning from our van life. This is our view where we parked last night. Same place. We're still at Johnny's. We just moved location. And it was a quiet night. A little bit cooler.
We have a new entrant.
Oh, who is that?
Yeah, new friend.
Okay, let's go inside.
Oh, there's flies. Bailey girl.
This is Bail Organa.
Look at those eyes.
Just picture up. Okay, she's gonna. Okay. No.
Okay, later.
We'll meet more later.
Chewbacca, be nice.
Okay, you want to sit down? Can you sit down, please? Okay, sit down.
Chewbacca, that's your sister.
Okay.
She's doing good. She's been really socialized, you can tell.
Yeah.
My God, such a cute. Dale, you have a new mommy. And a new dada. That's awesome. That was easy.
She's super nice.